The Parliamentary Opposition is calling for a massive overhaul of the pension system to ensure pensioners can get their money on time. Opposition spokesperson on the elderly, Denise Daley, was speaking during the sectoral debates, where she also called for other measures to protect senior citizens. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
There have been several complaints from senior citizens having to wait months and sometimes years to receive pension payments. The result? Pensioners are unable to take care of basic needs such as food. For Denise Daley, the opposition spokesperson for the elderly, it's unacceptable.
Retirement should not become a period of financial uncertainty after a lifetime of faithful service. The opposition, therefore, is recommending that pension files begin verification process at least 1 year before retirement. Every document should be reviewed, every discrepancy resolved, and every approval completed before the employees leave the public service or the private institution. Pension payment should commence immediately upon retirement, not months and years after.
At the same time, Ms. Daley says plans should be put in place to clear the backlog of pensioners waiting on their benefits. Another issue, the impact of inflation.
As the cost of living continues to rise, many fixed income pensioners find that the value of their pension steadily diminished. A pension that once provided security can gradually becomes insufficient to meet even the most basic needs. We must therefore examine whether additional safeguards are necessary to ensure that pensioners are not pushed below the poverty line, simply because the cost of living continues to exceed their income.
Likewise, some senior citizens are unable to keep up with technological advancements such as automated banking machines. Dishonest persons who offer assistance may steal their money.
No Jamaican should have to compromise their financial security simply to access their own money. Cashless banking must never become people-less banking, nor should it become defenseless banking. We therefore recommend that every cashless banking facilities that have an ATM machine and government offices provide digital services have trained customer service representatives to available throughout banking hours to assist elderly persons requiring support.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.